Welcome to this dance of the divine union, a moving meditation to harmonize the divine feminine and masculine energies within you, or to connect deeply with a partner. This is a dance of balance, surrender, and sacred expression. Find a comfortable space where you can move freely. If you are with a partner, stand facing each other. If you are solo, stand or sit comfortably. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, releasing any tension. Prepare to enter the dance of the divine. Begin by grounding into your body. Inhale deeply through the nose. Feel the breath expanding your belly. Exhale through the mouth, letting go of all thoughts, all distractions. Again. Inhale, feel yourself arriving fully in this moment. Exhale, grounding into the earth beneath you. If you are with a partner, gently place your hands together, palm to palm. Feel the warmth, the connection, the flow of energy between you. If you are alone, place your hands over your heart, feeling your own presence, your own pulse, your own aliveness. Now, awaken the divine energies within. As you inhale, feel Shakti, the divine feminine, rising from the base of your spine. She is fluid, creative, sensual. As you exhale, feel Shiva, the divine masculine, descending from your crown. He is still, aware, grounded. Inhale, Shakti dances upward, spiraling through you. Exhale, Shiva grounds you, expanding your presence. Let these energies weave together, flowing like a river through your body. Begin to move gently, swaying, circling, letting your body express these energies. If you are with a partner, begin to mirror each other's movements. Let your hands explore, touching shoulders, arms, faces with reverence. Gaze softly into each other's eyes, seeing beyond the physical, into the soul. As you move together, imagine your energies merging, two rivers becoming one. Feel the balance of giving and receiving, leading and following, holding and releasing. If you are alone, imagine dancing with the universe itself, a cosmic partner, moving in perfect harmony. Feel the divine embrace around you, within you. Now, let go of form. Allow your body to move freely, expressing the divine union within you. Feel the feminine energy, soft, flowing, receptive. Feel the masculine energy, strong, directed, protective. Let your dance be a prayer, a celebration, a surrender. If emotions rise, joy, passion, tenderness, let them flow through you. Dance as if no one is watching. Dance as if the universe is moving through you. Slowly begin to slow your movements, finding stillness. If you are with a partner, come together, holding each other, resting your foreheads together, breathing as one. If you are alone, wrap your arms around yourself in a warm embrace. Feel the union of energies within, the perfect balance, the complete harmony. Breathe into this stillness, into this connection, into this oneness. Place your hands in prayer position at your heart. Bow gently, honoring the divine within you and within those around you. Thank yourself for this dance, this exploration, this union. Carry this balance into your life, into your relationships, your actions, your being. Thank you for joining me in this dance of the divine union. If this practice moved you, subscribe for more tantric journeys. May you always dance with the divine. Namaste.